A time will come when a lot of people would wish they had bought more LCX coin. Like seriously, you wouldn't want to be among those who will be regretting by then, because if you're paying attention to the current trading volume, the trading volume is extremely low. It's below $2 million. Now imagine when the trading volume gets to $100 million, $1 billion, like it's going to be explosive. Like seriously, the current market cap is currently sitting at $260 million. Now by the time the trading volume gets to 100 million, $1 billion in trading volume, the price move is going to be unreal. Like seriously, if you're paying attention to the LCX/USD pair on Coinbase, this is the daily time frame. By the way, you would notice there's really no cause for alarm. There's no reason to panic sell right now. Like seriously, because LCX price is already holding up very well, and the chart is looking bullish. This is the daily time frame, and as you can see, we are holding up nicely. So there's no cause for alarm, because if you're paying attention to the 26-cent and 32-cent price, historically, when we pumped into that zone December 1st, 2021, we got a massive correction December 2nd, 2021. Same thing happened in December 19th, 2021, and we got another massive correction in December 20th, 2021 from that zone. Now, the reason why this price action is different from the one we are experiencing now is because when we came into this price level, we got a massive sell-off immediately without even consolidating. We got a massive sell-off immediately. Now, the reason why I said this time around is different is because we are now consolidating above that price level. That is to say, we've successfully flipped that zone into a support on the daily time frame, and we are now ranging around that zone. Now, as long as you guys hold the line very well, as long as you hold on to your horses, as long as you don't panic sell, because there's no reason for you to even panic sell when we are already approaching one of the biggest altcoin season. As long as we continue this consolidation between the price of 26 cents and 32 cents, LCX is getting ready for another massive moonshot to the upside, which is going to take a lot of people by surprise. The breakout of this ranging phase is going to be explosive. Like seriously, there's no point for you selling now when we are already approaching the altcoin season. Now, this is the BTC dominance. I specifically gave you guys the heads up yesterday in my video. I told you guys the BTC dominance is pumping right now, and it is likely, I think it was on this candle, the December 15th candle. I told you guys the BTC dominance is likely to pump and retest the 57.7% zone back, and if care is not taken, we might get a brief pump to 58.6% zone, which is not out of the picture. Now, whatever happens, I told you in yesterday's video, there's no cause for alarm at all. You have to hold on to your portfolio, because if you're noticing, the BTC dominance is now in an upward move, but altcoins are just having a slight correction, because majority, I think people are getting wiser and knowledgeable not to sell before the main rally begins, which is likely to be Q1 2025. So even if we should pump to 58.6%, we are likely to get a massive rejection from there to the downside to continue the correction for the BTC dominance. The moment you start seeing that happening and you see BTC price consolidating, that is an indication that altcoins are about to rally. Your bags is about to pump massively. Like seriously. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, historically 39.3% is usually the bottom for the BTC dominance in every market cycle. May 2021 was the bottom. 2018, same thing happened. So you won't want to sell before we get to 40%. When you should start having the thought of selling your altcoin should be when the BTC dominance has tapped into or is heading into the zone of 40%. The moment the BTC dominance is within the zone of 41 to 40%, that is when you should start taking massive profit from your investment in any altcoins you're holding. But for now, we are still up. We are currently seated at 57.7%. So there's no cause for alarm at all. I see no reason for you to panic, because the final destination of the dominance is definitely going to be to the downside. And the moment that starts happening, the overall altcoin market is going to explode. The LCX is already correcting. We are down minus 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Sooner or later, you're going to wish you had bought LCX at this current price, because we are heading to $1. From there, the next destination is going to be $5 zone, which is a psychological price target. $10 is still extremely realistic for the price of LCX coin, considering the utility behind the project, considering the circulating supply, which is just 771 million LCX coin in circulation, and also considering that this is an exchange token. A word is enough for the wise. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Peace out.